Today's video is about what to do if you have a bench warrant in the District of Columbia Superior Court. This is a question that we get a lot from potential clients about, they failed to appear in court, they missed a court date, they forgot, they slept in, they got the wrong paperwork, or whatever reason they didn't go to court, and there is a bench warrant for their arrest. Now, this is not to be confused with what to do if you have an arrest warrant. An arrest warrant, we did a video about what to do if you have an arrest warrant. So if you've been contacted by a detective or a member of the warrant squad telling you have an arrest warrant, I suggest you watch that video and get in contact with us for a free consultation. So again, this is specifically for folks who have a bench warrant issued from DC Superior Court. My name is Joseph Scrofano. I'm the founder and managing partner of Scrofano Law PC, a criminal defense firm that represents individuals in DC, Northern Virginia, and Maryland. Now, if you have a warrant out for your arrest, there's a couple things that could happen. One, nothing could happen. You could be going about your business, and this is just something that's out there hanging over your head. You could apply for a job or a driver's license or a security clearance or whatever it is, and the warrant and open case may come up and cause you some big problems. In addition to that, in extreme cases, the United States Marshal Service could literally knock or kick down your door to execute the warrant and bring you back to court in front of the judge. Another scenario could happen. You could be out driving and get pulled over for a minor traffic violation, and the police, once they take your license, they'll see that you have an open warrant. You'll get arrested, you'll spend at least one night in jail, and could spend more depending on the underlying case and what your history is in terms of failing to appear in court in the past. So, if you have a warrant, you immediately want to get in contact with your attorney. If you have a court-appointed lawyer or you've hired a lawyer, you're going to want to contact that attorney to set a time and place as soon as possible for them to walk into court with you to surrender yourself. If you don't have a lawyer or you're thinking about changing attorneys, I highly recommend that you give us a call. Check out the link in our website, check out the link in the video for more information. Give us a call. We can set you up for a free consultation. We've handled hundreds and hundreds of cases in the District of Columbia Superior Court and successfully walked in many clients on a bench warrant and successfully walked out the door with them. And that's kind of the thrust of the advice here, is if you voluntarily walk into court when you have a bench warrant, as opposed to being dragged in because they execute the warrant and you're arrested, it's very likely you'll walk out of court with a new court date rather than being held in jail. Now, if you get brought in front of the judge because you've been arrested, it's a good chance you might spend some more time in jail. And there's also a good chance that the government is going to file additional case and charge against you, something called a Bail Reform Act violation or BRA violation. That's a separate case, independent, on top of the underlying criminal charge that you got the bench warrant in the first place. So, there's an expression, they say like 90% of life is showing up. When that definitely applies to when you have a criminal court case. You definitely want to show up. If something happens and you think you might have missed a court date or you're unsure, you can actually go to the DC Court's website and look up whether you have an active bench warrant or not. And that's at www.dccourts.gov/services/active-warrant-list. And you can find that out, or you can contact us and we can look that up and discuss with you what your next options are going to be. So I hope you found this video informative. Take care of your warrants, get in contact with your lawyer or get in contact with a lawyer and orchestrate a time for you to go in and surrender in court, voluntarily walk in as soon as possible. Do not, and I repeat, do not walk into a police station to surrender yourself on a bench warrant. If you do that, they're going to book you, process you, and it's guaranteed you are likely going to spend at least a night in jail, if not more. If you have a bench warrant, you want to get with your attorney and voluntarily walk into court and surrender yourself in the courtroom.